What are we doing, bud? The fast Jeep?
The fast.
You want to drive it?
I drive it.
Okay, let's do it. I'll put your music on for you.
Do ice cream.
The ice cream song?
Ice cream.
Okay, let's do it.
Ice cream.
What is going on, everyone? So the GoPro only has 10% battery, so I'll try to film a little bit. Liam wants to come and drive the Jeep, and it's snowing, huh, buddy? So let's drive the Hoss. We haven't driven it for weeks because I've been working since Christmas, and it's now February 13th. So I got half charged battery. It's a 3S LiPo that's been on storage charge, so let's test it a little bit. Oh, the rain is so much fun. Whoa, is that awesome? We ready? Count down. Go. Is that awesome? Are you ready? 2. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Can't really see. Let's slow down and come back. Yeah! Woo! Full 360! This is awesome, huh, Liam? Woo! Lost it there. Here we go. Woo! Woo! Yeah! Yeah! Wanna do it again? Okay, here it comes. Yeah! Woo! Here it comes, bud. Yoo-hoo! Woo! I should go for a double. Let's do a double 360. Whoa! Okay, stop. Oh, jeez. Hoss power, baby. Here we come. Oh, I almost crashed right into the tire. That was almost a catastrophe. Yeah! Here we go. Oh, yeah! Oh. We're gonna hit a 360 and then keep cruising. That's what we're doing. Here we go. Full speed. Hit it! Hit it, hit it! Oh, I couldn't get traction. You liking that, bud? All right, guys. I just moved the Jeep a little bit. We're gonna do some grass action here. Oh, shoot! Let's see if we can launch this sucker. Okay, here we go. Some snow grass action. Okay. It can't get enough traction to get going fast enough. We can still zip around on the grass and have some fun. Let's see what we can do. Woo! What do we got going on here? Suspension seems really soft. Okay, remember we only had a half charge battery and it's not feeling like it's at its full potential right now, so. Look at all these tracks. Oh shoot. Woo, hey look, there's our ball that I left here. Nice, good job Hoss, you found our ball. Here we go. Oh shoot. Here we go. Let's do a lap. Make some tracks all around here. Oh, we are not getting traction, so we can't get the speed, but we're coming through. Woo! We hit the rocks. Here we go. Oh shoot. Let's make the tracks on here. Let's go, Hoss! Woo! I need someone to race against. Oh, battery's dead. Sorry, guys. I only brought a half charge battery. That's all we got. I knew it was lagging there. I knew that's not all the power it had. I feel like right when we went on the grass, the power was cut pretty bad. Yeah, battery's dead, buddy. We need to charge it. Yep, it's red. Oops, I just dropped it and the fan cut out. What we got going on in there? Oh, we got some snow action in there. Woo-hoo-hoo, Hoss! Yeah. All right, boys. Uh-oh, my fan's screeching. Are you okay? It's full of snow. All right, boys. Boys and gals, let's get a shot for the thumbnail of this video. Is that fun? Yeah. Yeah, we had fun with the fast Jeep, huh? In the snow. Guess what though, the battery's dead. Yeah, let's go charge it.